welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to be working on a 14 by 14 canvas, and I have got my quad split cup that I will be using. I haven't used my quad split cup in a while, so I thought, why not do it today? And I forgot to level my canvas, so I'm going to do that now. I have my adjustable canvas levelers under there, and I do have them covered with Glad Press and Seal. Helps keep them a little clean. You can of course wash them, but I find that covering them is super easy, and then you can just put rip the Glad Press and Seal off and put some new on. Okay, so the easiest way to do that is I put my level on, and then you can just turn them to level. So that side looks good, and then this needs to go up just a touch. Okay, and then I do it like that as well. This side looks a little like this side needs to go up higher. So again, let me just show you real quick. You just adjust them like that, okay? So I'm going to turn that one up just a little bit because it needs to go up a little bit more. And then this one as well. Okay. And then I'll have to do this one too. Yeah, there we go. And then of course, because I did that, I'm going to have to double check here. And it looks perfect. Perfect. All right. So now that that's set, I've got my cup, and let me go over my colors really quick. The first color that I'm going to be using today is from Liquitex Basics, and it is Dioxazine Purple. I've got this awesome lime green, metallic-y lime green, and it is from Modern Masters, and it is called Green Apple. Super pretty. And then this blue that I've got here is kind of a mix of two. I had a little bit left of each one of these, and this one is Mineral Blue from Soho Mineral_𝗶𝗆𝗆𝗧, and then just regular blue from the Fine Touch, which you guys ask every time I use it pretty much. It's now modern, or it's now
a few moments later.
Master's Touch. I don't know why I was not remembering. So the Fine Touch is now Master's Touch. All right, and then the last color, well, not the last color, but the next color is also from the Fine Touch, is Teal. And then I'm going to put down some white pearl on the canvas before I get started. Well, before I pour, I'm going to, pour onto it. So let me get my gloves on very quickly here, and then we can go ahead and start putting the paint in the cup. And sometimes I try to get my colors in a certain order, and then I forget, but I've got them set, so, which, that doesn't mean anything either. So hopefully this green, though, is enough for that chamber, because that's where I'm going to put that one. So let's just go ahead and start. And I usually take my cap off, but I'm not, so hopefully I don't get a lot of air bubbles in there. So, and then the way that I do this in my cup is I fill right, I don't want them to overlap. I try not to anyway. So I fill it just to the bottom of the spout there. All right. And this one's a little bit trickier, but I hope I have, well, that's not too bad. It's not completely full. Shoot, it's only about halfway. Let's see if I can get a little bit more out of there. I might top that off. We'll see. I might just leave it. That's all right. All right, and then, let's see, I've got my blue. And all of these colors are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I can't remember how I mixed all of them, so I always suggest when you're mixing your paints up to pour, start out with a 1-to-1 ratio, unless they're very, very thinner, runnier, if you will, craft paints, then you don't want to do that. You want to just start out with even less than that, because sometimes with those cheaper, thinner craft paints, they're already pretty runny. So again, I always start with 1-to-1 and go from there. Most times my ratio that I use is about 2 to 3 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. And that's usually how I tell everybody, especially if you're starting out, because you have to learn what consistency is really right for you, because not everybody's consistency is perfect for everyone. Okay, so I've got white pearl. I had white pearl, but I think I'm going to put a different color down first. I mixed up the other day. Let me grab it real quick. Here it is. This pretty turquoise. Let me find the bottle. I've got it set over here. Okay, here it is. It's from DecoArt, and it's teal. And I thought it was a little too dark, so I added some of the white pearl to it. Now, I probably just could have used the peacock pearl because it's pretty similar. So I think I'm going to put that down first instead of the white. We'll see. I might be regretting that. So, and then this was mixed a little bit runnier. And I only used Floetrol and water, and then a little squirt of Liquitex, because I ran out of my pouring medium when I mixed it, so I was kind of just winging it there. But it's a little bit runnier than I normally have it. I don't know why I did it that way, but I did, so that's that. I'm not sure what the reasoning was when I did it. So there's that. I do see there's some air bubbles because I gave it a stir earlier in the day, but you know, I don't know if that's gonna be enough. Yeah, that's good. I'm just gonna go with that. All right, so, and I'm not gonna put any more in here. I want that green by itself. All right, so here we go. All right, everybody, here we go with the dried photos. And I have to say that I really, really love this piece. I think it dried just so gorgeous. I started shooting the dry photos outside, and that natural light just really captures the true color much better. So I'm super happy with it. I also love the composition of it. I love those turquoise cells that popped up. So I'm not normally so much about cells, but I do like them. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And a way to help me out is to share the video. So if there's someone that you think may enjoy it, go ahead and share it with them. And also, guys, don't forget to check out acrylicpouringtools.com for all your acrylic pouring tool needs. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. And I hope you all have a wonderful Mother's Day weekend. And you're in luck because I've got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy. And I will catch you in the next one.